Welcome to this week's AAPOD2 Showcase, where we highlight the finest astrophotography from around the world. Each image we feature is a blend of scientific curiosity, technical skill, and deep dedication. This week's winners span June 15th through June 22nd, 2025. If you enjoy content that celebrates both the beauty and complexity of the cosmos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to support the astrophotography community. June 15th, craters on the southern limb of the Moon. Captured by Nedson Ferreira in Brazil, this high-resolution image reveals a rugged region dominated by impact craters such as Bali, Clavius, and Mauritius. These southern highlands are some of the oldest terrains on the Moon, with crater walls reaching heights of several kilometers. The lighting angle during imaging enhances shadow contrast, allowing scientists to estimate crater depths and understand regolith layering in lunar geology. June 16th, DR28, Planetary Nebula Candidate. Captured by Jonathan Talbot from Ocean Springs, Mississippi, DR28 is a faint and little-studied object in Andromeda, exhibiting a nebulous ring of ionized gas. Planetary nebulae like this are formed during the final evolutionary stages of low to intermediate mass stars, when outer layers are expelled and ionized by the exposed hot core. This object's shape and emission lines suggest it could represent a short-lived transitional stage or an unusual geometry due to binary interactions. June 17th, Barnard 142 in the Chameleon Complex. Imaged by Jean-Yves Benninger, Barnard 142 is a dense dark nebula composed of cold molecular gas and dust. Often referred to as a Bock globule, it serves as a potential site of future star formation. Located in the Chameleon Complex, this structure effectively blocks light from the Milky Way, allowing astronomers to trace the early conditions for protostar development in molecular clouds. June 18th, Great Coronal Mass Ejection. Captured by Alessandro Ravignin from Romano Desolino, Italy, this image shows an immense coronal mass ejection, or CME, lifting off the solar limb. CMEs are powerful releases of plasma and magnetic fields from the Sun's corona, often associated with solar flares or active regions. They can travel over 1 million kilometers per hour and when Earth-directed, can disrupt satellites, power grids, and produce vivid auroras. Observing them in hydrogen alpha allows for tracking filament eruption and flare evolution in near real time. June 19th, Pi Scorpii and SH21. Sipolak Bear photographed this reflection nebula and bright star from Namibia. SH21 is a faint, dusty nebula that reflects the bluish light from Pi Scorpii, a hot-beat-type star located in the Scorpius constellation. Reflection nebulae like this lack their own light and depend on nearby stars to become visible. The structure reveals the extent of surrounding interstellar dust and the scattering characteristics of dust grains under starlight pressure. June 20th, Ghosts of Orion, a journey from Messier 78 to the Boogeyman. Wei Hao and Harsh Ward and Patak created this wide-field mosaic of the Orion molecular cloud complex. Stretching from the bright reflection nebula M78 to the dark, dusty LDN 1622, nicknamed the Boogeyman, this region features both emission from excited gas and absorption by cold dust. This image illustrates the complex interplay between star formation, radiation pressure, and turbulence within the interstellar medium. Multi-wavelength analysis of this region helps astronomers model star birth and the life cycle of molecular clouds. June 21st, IC 4592, the Blue Horse Head rises. Wei Wang and Harsh Ward and Patak captured this ethereal reflection nebula from Taiwan. IC 4592 is illuminated by the nearby hot star New Scorpii and lies in a region of the sky with relatively little star formation, allowing the scattered blue light to dominate. The bluish hue is caused by Rayleigh scattering, where small dust particles preferentially scatter shorter wavelengths of light. This nebula is a reminder of how even regions without active star formation can yield spectacular visual and scientific results. Thanks for watching the AAPOD2 Weekly Showcase. If you appreciate the scientific effort and imaging excellence on display, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more. We'll be back next week with another collection of deep sky highlights. Until then, clear skies, and keep looking up.